Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Forex. So in this video I'm going to show you an awesome strategy for the crash 1000 index. So this strategy is a very powerful strategy. You can use it to catch spike and you can also use it to trade against the spike. Okay, so now with the strategy we're going to be using just three indicators, which are the money flow index, the relative strength index, and the average true range with this easy strategy. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the settings for this strategy, which is the period on the RSI is 14. You apply it to close. The levels you're going to use on level 90 and 10. Okay, then the style is going to be on 3 pixel. Then the color is going to be black color, just as you can see. Then the line is going to be the one with the space. After that you click on done. Right, then the style right here, you put 2 pixel. The color you put on blue, you put on this first straight line pattern, then you click on done. After that, then the second indicator is going to be the money flow index, which is the MFI. You use on period 14. The volume is on tick. All right, then the levels 20 and 80, you choose on 1 pixel. The color is going to be white color or ashes, as you can see. Okay, this color, the second one after the white. Then after that you click on done. Then the style you put on 2 pixel. The color is going to be green. You choose the first straight pattern line, then you click on done. Right, then the last indicator, which is the average true range, the AT arrow, you use the period on 14. You put period 14. The levels, you put 2 levels. Then the style is going to be on 2 pixel. The color is you're gonna put the color on blue. Then after that you click on done. Then the style right here, you put on 2 pixel. The color is going to be on red or orange. Then you put a line, the first one, which is the straight one, just as you can see. Then you click on done. All right, now this is the indicators we're going to be using for this strategy. All right, with this strategy you can use it to cast spike on the crash 1000 index market also. Okay, now when the money flow index reach the level 10, that's the entry point for this strategy. Okay, that's when you want to enter into the market and take your candles. You can take 5 or 6 candles with this at this point. Okay, as you can see at this other point, you can enter into the market and take your 6 candles. After your 6 candles, you're out of the market. Do not stay more than 6 candles, okay, because it's gonna spike. It's gonna spike. You see at this point it spikes right here, just as you can see, and also it spike right here. Okay, so once you enter the market at this point, you count your 6 candles, then you're out of the market. Then you wait again until the money flow index reach the level 10. That's a good entry point for a buy. Okay, so now you go to your indicators on your relative strength index. You go to your relative strength index, you go to the levels. On the level 10 you can add on for the 10. Then on the 90 you add sell. Okay, after that you click on done. So just as you can see, at this point it is sell, at this point it's a buy. Okay, for the money flow index. Okay, once it reach here, you see it's a buy. Okay, and when the money flow index reach the level 90, it is sell. Okay, once it reach the level 90, it's a sell for a spike. Okay, get ready for a spike. You see at this point there was a spike. Okay, once you see the average true range is about to reach level 10 and the money flow index reach this point at the level 90, it's gonna spike really soon. Okay, it's gonna spike. So each time the money flow index crosses the level 90, you wait for about 5 or 6 candles before placing a sell. Okay, before placing a sell. Then also after placing a sell, you add your stop loss below that point. Okay, then you can see right here, just like I said, you see there was a spike after it reached the level 90. There was a spike. You can see also the average true range, there was a spike. Okay, there was a spike. Now here you see at this point You see at this point you count your 6 candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You're out of the market. So this is the 6 candles. This was the 6 candle before this candle, and also before the spike. You can see okay. You take your 6 candles, you're out of the market. Then also take note of this, guys. Once the money flow index did not reach level 10, but the average true range crosses level 90, you can still enter the market and place a buy and take your 6 candles, guys. I've tested this, it works. Okay, I've tested it, it works. Right, so this is it. Let me show you. You see at this point, guys, the money flow index did not reach level 10, but the average true range crosses level 90. You count your 6 candles, you are out. You count your 6 candles, you are out. Okay, so this strategy is a very simple and easy strategy. Okay, so once you want to try the strategy, always try the strategy with your demo account first, so that you can master this strategy and see how you can implement this same strategy on your own MT5. Okay, all right, now when you want to catch spike with this strategy, you're going to use the money flow index to catch spike. Okay, just like I said, you're going to use it to catch spike. You see the average true range. When you see the average true range and the money flow index are creating the same pattern, you see the same pattern line right here, the same. Get ready for a spike. It's going to spike. You see, this is a very long spike. Okay, let's say you place a sell at this point. If you count from this point now to this point, the candles is not more than 8. It's not more than 8 candles. But if you see this spike, if you trade this spike now, let's see. All right, let's see what we can do here. You see at this point, okay, at this point, okay, at this point, let's see what we can do. You see, okay, you see right here, if you trace it, you can see. All right, you can see, guys, you can see this is the candles you're going to get from this spike. This is the candle you are going to make. This is the profit you're going to make from this spike. All right, you can see this line is equivalent to this spike line. Okay, so if you take from this point from a sell at this very point, from a sell, you can see, let's say you can see this is your profit from here to here. This is your profit from this first dot to this second dot. This is your profit. Okay, so guys, if you enjoy watching this video and you really like this video, do well to subscribe to this channel so that you can see more good strategy, guys, more awesome strategy that I share on the daily forex. Okay, now with this strategy, we're going to be using the 4th zoom level. Okay, so that you can see the levels. All right, so you can see it very clearly. All right, I'm going to be using the 4th zoom level. Okay, so guys, if you enjoy watching my videos, do well to subscribe to this channel, the daily forex, and also turn on the notification bell so that you can see more awesome videos whenever I upload videos on my channel. All right, so I will see you guys on the next video.